If you're encountering the "you need to authenticate to Microsoft services" error in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, it usually means there's an issue with your account authentication or connection to Microsoft services. Here's a step-by-step guide to fixing the issue. 1. Check your Microsoft account status first. Ensure that your Microsoft account is in good standing and properly linked to your Minecraft account. Check your Microsoft account. Visit the Microsoft account website. Ensure you're logged in and your account is active. If needed, reset your password or recover your account using the Microsoft support tools. 2. Check for updates. Ensure your game and system are up to date, as outdated versions can sometimes cause issues with authentication. Check for Minecraft updates. If you're playing Minecraft on Windows 10/11, go to the Microsoft Store and check if there's an update for Minecraft. On other platforms, check for any updates via the appropriate store platform, PlayStation, Xbox, etc. Check for system updates on Windows. Go to Settings greater than Update and Security greater than Windows Update and check for updates. On Xbox/PlayStation, check for any system updates in their respective system settings. 3. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it, as it can interfere with Microsoft's authentication services. Disable VPN proxy. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it and try logging into Minecraft again. Ensure your internet connection is not routed through a proxy that may block Microsoft services. Reset the Microsoft Store app, Windows 10/11. If you're playing Minecraft on Windows 10/11 and the issue still persists, resetting the Microsoft Store app might help. Open Settings. Go to Settings greater than Apps and Features. Find Microsoft Store. Scroll down and find Microsoft Store in the list of apps. Reset Microsoft Store. Click on Microsoft Store, then click on Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Reset. Restart your computer and check if the authentication error is fixed. Contact Microsoft support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it's possible that there may be a problem with your Microsoft account or an ongoing service outage. Contact Microsoft support. Visit the Microsoft support website. Check for any active issues with Microsoft authentication services. Reach out to Microsoft support for further troubleshooting. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the "you need to authenticate to Microsoft services" issue in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Let me know if you need further assistance.